Hi, I'm Abhishek. I'm working as an ASP engineer at Primebook. So I have to answer these questions. So what are you working on? So we are working on bringing offline version of Linux on Primebook. So why are you building it? We are building for users to create a more space to code, create and explore on Primebook. Why Linux? Because Linux offers more flexibility. It has a platform where community support is very good, and it has a great environment for learning and development. First thing you coded on Linux, probably a simple hello world program in C. What inspires you? For me, inspiration is like I have a space to build something for user that can create a meaningful impact in their lives. What technology changed my life? So it probably open source project. I have contributed many open source projects that gave me a perspective about how large scale projects are built. What was your first computer? My first computer was old Windows XP device. It taught me patience before coding. Your favorite Linux distribution? For me, I have used many Linux, but for me, Ubuntu is the best because it is simple yet powerful. Okay, feature you are most excited about? Currently, I'm excited about running offline mode Linux on Primebook with Android without having any extra setup. What makes open source powerful? I have worked on open source project. There are multiple developers who are working day and night to fix an issue. So it has a very good community support. That's why it's powerful, yeah. So why should beginner learn Linux? For beginners, Linux is open source. You can install it on your PC or your laptop, and you can do creative work on Linux. You can develop apps which can be used by multiple users. So it is very easy to install and you can use it. Light mode or dark mode? For me, obviously dark mode, because I don't have to just see the screen and hurt my eyes. So AI is everywhere. What's your take on it? So for me, AI is amazing, but sometimes it's baked my code and say, trust me bro. So that is very wrong.